Is it just me, or is VinFast taking the electric vehicle market by storm? Let's uncover the secrets behind their incredible growth. In the second quarter, billionaire Pham Nhat Vuong's VinFast delivered 13,172 electric vehicles, a 43% increase compared to the same period last year. The sales of the VinFast VF5 doubled those of its gasoline-powered competitors combined. In just 8 months, VinFast sold approximately 17,800 VF5s, nearly double the combined sales of the Kia Sonet, Toyota Rays and Hyundai Venue, which totaled 9,099 units. In previous months, a significant portion of VF5s were delivered to customers for business and ride-sharing purposes, while the Rays, Sonet and Venue mainly served individual customers. However, according to VinFast, in August, almost all vehicles delivered were to individual buyers. The trend of switching to electric vehicles to save on operating costs by many transportation businesses is providing the VF5 with an opportunity to expand its market share. At the same time, the gradually expanding network of charging stations is a basis for individual customers to choose electric vehicles. Meanwhile, domestic assembly, multiple versions, various features, and a wide price range are the advantages that help the Sonet lead the gasoline car segment. According to car sales experts, one of the reasons why hatchbacks are losing ground in Vietnam is the emergence of models with higher ground clearance, more robust designs, and more technology, such as the Sonet, Rays, and VF5, with selling prices ranging from 500 to 600 million VND. The proof is that many manufacturers are no longer interested in this segment. Honda's Brio, Suzuki's Celerio, and VinFast's Fadil have all been discontinued. Currently, VinFast has the VF5 as a replacement, while Honda and Suzuki are considering bringing a small A-plus size CUV model to Vietnam in the near future. This brings the total number of electric vehicles delivered by the company in the first 6 months of the year to 22,348 units, a 101% increase compared to last year. What about revenue? It increased by 9% compared to the same period last year, reaching 357 million USD. Accordingly, VinFast's growth momentum in the second quarter mainly came from the wave of transition to electric vehicles in the domestic market, with a 108% year-on-year increase in the number of vehicles delivered to individual consumers, B2C. As a result, the company's second quarter revenue increased by 9% compared to the same period in 2023, reaching 357 million USD. However, VinFast still recorded a gross loss of 224 million USD with a negative gross profit margin of 62.7%. The main reason was the provision for asset impairment of 104 million USD compared to 5 million USD in the first quarter. Ms. Nguyen Thilan An, Chief Financial Officer of VinFast, said that the second quarter business results were in line with the set plan. As of the end of August, VinFast has 155 stores globally, of which 70% are dealerships. The company's strategy in this phase is to strengthen its presence in key markets. In Vietnam, in the first half of the year, VinFast recorded the highest year-on-year growth rate compared to the same period last year. The VF5 leads the segment with positive sales performance. In addition, the company began delivering the VF3 Mini eSUV model in the third quarter. In the North American market, VinFast focuses on introducing products and business strategies to key partners. By the end of the second quarter, the company had established a system of showrooms and dealerships in 8 states in the US. In Canada, VinFast recorded a 15% growth compared to the previous quarter. In Southeast Asia, after entering the Indonesian market less than half a year ago, VinFast expanded its distribution network with 15 showrooms in major cities such as Jakarta and Surabaya. The company broke ground for a CKD factory in Indonesia and delivered the first batch of right-hand drive VFE34S. In the Philippines, VinFast plans to introduce more car models in the coming months. Indonesia and the Philippines are experiencing VinFast's electric vehicle revolution. With the goal of delivering 80,000 vehicles this year, VinFast is heading towards a sustainable future. Stay tuned for more exciting news about VinFast.